This is how you usually do a client review. Think about it. You will call the client, you will spend time going to meet that client, you'll meet the client, you'll find out there's no change, and you'll think you've come back wasting your time. True or not? Doesn't that usually happen? You will call them, hi, can I have an appointment? I need to do a policy review. You go there, there's no change, you come back and you say, I wasted my time. Why don't you follow my strategy? This is my strategy for policy review. I call the client. I ask them, hey, has anything changed? You changed your job? No, same. You got married? No, still single? Okay. Nothing changed? No promotion this year? No, yeah, nothing happening this year. Oh, very good. Okay, I'll see you in January. Finished. Policy review done. True or not? Nothing changed, nothing to change. Correct or not? Why are you wasting your time? I call the client, I say, hey, you got a promotion, I heard. Yeah, bro, I got a promotion. Fantastic. Let's meet up for coffee. Fix an appointment and go.